Tap Call Translation and start. Make a call regular or video. Translation starts automatically. Optionally, start the call first, then enable call translation. By default, you hear both voices. Tap the bottom icon to mute original audio and hear translation only. Tap Stop to end translation. Call continues even if translation stops. If not stopped manually, call translation ends automatically when the call disconnects. Closing the floating window does not stop translation. Go back to the page and tap Stop to end it.